promoting the products. Kaya ako mismo, PCOS patient ko. Ligated ko 2015. But then, gasigir gihapon ko pills, either kanang dayan or kaning unsa ni siya progesterone just to have menstruation. Akong migraine is very severe. Louis si Alvin mo sa mag-migraine kaya ang sapot abot sa ramen pero no. So, ang quality of life dito manti na siya moabot and severe dysmenorrhea. But when I started taking, especially on Ferndino, kay mao man gyud proven yun, no, with all those evidences yun, no, I have not been experiencing those severe migraines, severe dysmenorrhea nga dependent ko, di ko makalakaw if wala ko pain relievers. Okay? Kaya anak siya kasakit. Or magpuyo ko balay. So income-wise, paralyzed po. Di ba? So, among youngest po, no, with skin asthma, with skin allergies, no, nakagraduate ni sa maintenance ng Montelucas, Loretel, si Teresino, and nebulization niya, no, graduate po, what na? Just Ferndi and the soap and lotion. So, anak ka nice ang product, so why would I keep it to myself, di ba? So, every patient na musulod sa clinic, ginashare na ako about the products. Okay, so, mali siya, no? Zoom presentation lang last February 25, 2021. That time, si Alvin was on duty. Without hesitation,